Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. Some cars are fast, some cars are beautiful, and then there are cars like the 2026 Ferrari 488, a machine built not just to move you, but to completely consume your senses. This isn't transportation, this is adrenaline shaped into metal, engineered for one purpose, to remind you what driving is supposed to feel like. The moment you see it, everything else fades away. The low stance, the sculpted body, and the aggressive front design create an unmistakable presence. Every curve serves a purpose. Every line controls airflow. This isn't styling for attention, it's styling for performance. The front sits low and wide, giving the car a predatory look, like it's ready to launch forward at any second. From the side, the design flows like liquid. The aerodynamic channels carved into the body aren't just beautiful, they're functional. Air moves through the car, not around it, increasing stability at high speeds. The proportions are perfect. Low roofline, wide rear stance, and a silhouette that looks fast even when standing still. Acceleration is instant and explosive. The twin-turbo V8 delivers massive horsepower and lightning-fast throttle response. The car surges forward with intensity, pushing you back into your seat. It's not just fast, it's emotional. The sound is unforgettable. The engine doesn't just run, it sings. As the RPM climbs, the sound becomes sharper, louder, and more aggressive. Every gear change feels precise and immediate, delivering uninterrupted acceleration. On the road, the Ferrari 488 feels incredibly connected. Steering is razor sharp, responding instantly to every input. The chassis feels balanced and controlled, allowing the driver to push the car with confidence. It feels stable at high speeds and precise in corners. At the rear, the true personality of the 488 reveals itself. Wide shoulders, aggressive vents, and quad exhaust outlets remind you that this car is built for serious performance. Every detail works together to create something that feels alive. Step inside, and the cockpit wraps around you like a racing suit. This is a driver-focused environment where everything exists for one purpose: control. The steering wheel becomes the center of your world, with essential controls placed directly at your fingertips. Premium materials surround you, blending luxury with motorsport inspiration. The seating position is low and connected. You don't sit on the car, you sit inside it. Visibility forward is sharp and focused, reinforcing the feeling that this machine was built for precision. Every detail inside the cabin reminds you that this is not an ordinary car.